Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, everybody online. Happy Monday. Today's Monday the 26th, believe it or not. And what a beautiful day. It's going to be up to 75 today. We're excited for that. We are in Columbia, Illinois, and we're doing a client that found us online and booked on the spot. Loved all our good reviews and testimonials and that we were local. And we're taking care of the loft area as we speak. And basically it's our minimum. We got a total of 3 areas that we're taking care of for them, and we're gonna get it back to the original state, get it clean, sanitized, and ready to go to make it look beautiful again. And then we have a strip and wax job in Waterloo today for a commercial establishment, 2 bathroom areas. We got Noma back on the job. Noma's back with us. She's ready and full throttle. She's been with me 18 years, believe it or not. So she's setting up now. And yeah, guys, it's gonna be a good day. Like I said, we have a strip and wax job in Waterloo after this, and we're gonna get it stripped and sealed and refinished, and that's gonna do it for today. Hope you all doing well, and don't forget to hit the bell and give us a follow and a like and a share, and we got you covered. AO, let's go. All right, guys, we already pre-treated and conditioned the carpet fibers to break up the soil load. As you guys can see, we got Noma agitating now with the CRB. And basically the benefits of what we do, guys, part of our process, is the CRB actually lifts up the memory pile and resets it, and also simultaneously get all the fibers on both sides, so when it dries, it stands up straight. So that's one of the benefits and features of hiring a company, and that is part of our process. So it also gets all the hair your vacuum misses, because it gets deep inside the fibers and pulls it all out. Hair, debris, all that good stuff. And it goes into our chamber right there in the front. So another little benefit of hiring us is, you know, when you have a quality company and quality service, it just speaks volume to your flooring and your floor coverings, because when you maintain it and clean it, it lasts a long time, versus if you neglect it and you're more reactive than proactive. It just, you know, saves you a lot of money in the long run. So it's always a good idea to not only vacuum your carpet regularly, otherwise in the industry known as dry soil removal, but it's also a good idea to vacuum it more often than not if you have kids and pets. But on rule of thumb, once, twice a week. If you have kids and pets, I would recommend every day, because it's designed to be vacuumed. And that's actually helping you out, because your carpet is the biggest filter in your home. You'll always hear me say that, guys. Your carpet's a filter, so it attracts everything from your dead skin cells, because we shed like snakes, your air particulates, oils, things from outside, dander, all kinds of dust mites. So all that stuff basically is bonded to your fiber yarn. So what doesn't come out by vacuuming is bonded to your fiber, and that's called soil. And the only way to remove that is, professionally, is through chemistry, heat, agitation, and extraction. That's the industry standard. So, and we have truck mounts and equipments and the right chemistry to do that from a professional standpoint. So that's why whenever you hire a company, make sure you hire the right company, that they know what they're doing. They're just not putting anything on your carpet or using any kind of equipment or tools, because not all companies are created equal. So for more tips and value, don't forget to hit the bell, subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a follow and a like on our Facebook, as well as Instagram, or give us a good old phone call or check us out online at AOClean.com. All right, guys, we're out here at AOCleaning. Have yourself a good day. See you. Hey, yo, let's go. I just did. All right, guys, let's check it out. All right, guys, the update. We're steaming it out now, as you guys can see. Again, this is a contractor grade polyester, and you can see how there's just some worn areas. That's because polyester is cheap. It crushes and mats easy, and that is one of the problems of a synthetic carpet that's made from plastic. There's no reversing that. Even if you clean it, you can never get that back because it's cosmetic, but all the soil is gone. No tip of the day, guys, but man, these carpets turn out great. You can see we're steaming it out now, getting it back to original state. But again, guys, if you ever upgrade your home, I would recommend a nylon carpet or a polyester, not a polyester, a hybrid that's made with a natural and synthetic blend. at best. But yeah, nylon's gonna be your best friend, guys. Beautiful. You can see that steaming it out now, sanitizing the fibers. It does get up to 230 degrees, 210 at the wand. That's important for sanitation, as you guys see. You guys are having a great Monday. And after we do this, we're gonna do our other job on the schedule, which is some VCT restoration. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish up. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Steaming it out now. Carpet's responding well. There are some cosmetic wear patterns, which is common for a polyester carpet, but all the soil is gone. All the stains, spots are gone as well.